Good morning and welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge, Get Started in Social Media. I'm Amy Stack and today is day 50 of our challenge, How to Upload a YouTube Video. In this challenge, you'll learn how to upload your video, add your thumbnail, and get tips for naming your video as well as adding a description. Before we get started, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing with technology for your business, start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon. Let's get started. Okay, so I have my YouTube channel pulled up. So once you've made your video, just come to your channel. So when you log in, if you're on the home screen, just as a reminder, you'll click the icon up in the top right corner and hit your channel. So once you're on your channel, to add a video, come all the way up to the top right and look for the little camera icon with the plus sign. When you hover over it, it will say create a video or post. So go ahead and click that. And then we're going to choose upload your video. Now I already have my video in my download folder. So I'm just going to hit select files. And here's my video here. I'm going to click that and hit open and you'll see that it uploads into the system here. So in the bottom left-hand corner of this window, you'll notice a little timeline here, a progress bar of how the video is processing or how we are doing in uploading. So right now it's at about 14%. So it'll take a little bit of time for your video, especially if it's longer, to finish up uploading into YouTube. But that's okay. While that's uploading, we're going to do some other things. So first of all, I like to just go ahead and add my thumbnail in there. So yesterday we learned how to make one. So I'm just going to tap that upload thumbnail button and hit open. And this is the video that I'm uploading. So you guys will have already watched it by this time, but 7 steps to creating your YouTube channel. So that's the video I'm uploading today. Now we have our title and our description. So for your title, you want to make sure that you're very detailed and you have lots of description in it. You want to dig deep, and then when you think you've done that, when you think you've dug deep enough, you're going to go ahead and dig deeper. I want to pull up just a general YouTube channel here, just a channel search. So anytime you're on YouTube, take a look at everybody else's videos. See this one right here, Cricut Maker, where do I even begin? Unboxing and setup. Okay, so we know that this video is about the Cricut Maker, which is a crafting machine. So if you're in the craft world, you would know that. So we know that this video is about the Cricut Maker. That's great. I might be a little interested in that. But next it says, where do I even begin? Okay, now I'm a little more interested. I don't know, much about it, so how do I start with it? Maybe I bought one and I haven't used it. So this seems like a good video for me. And then the next line, to dig even deeper, we have unboxing and setup. So perfect. I just got this awesome machine. I don't know much about it. I know that this video is going to show me where to begin from opening up that box and then doing all the setup. So that's a great example of a YouTube title. Now I have been using a little system for my challenge here, so I'm going to keep following that. That way all of my challenge video titles match. Okay, so I've just clicked back to the video that I'm uploading, that screen here. So here's the kind of formula I've been using for this challenge so far. So I'm just going to type in my title here. Then we have our description. Okay, so for your description, you actually get up to 5,000 characters, so go ahead and use it. You want to put as much information about your video in here as you can, and you can even add links, like if you have affiliate links, or if you reference another video and you want to link that in there, all kinds of stuff. This is a great place to put that information. So you can, like I said, you can mention other videos and just make sure you talk about every single thing that video is going to cover. So for me, I do a little outline before I make videos, so to start my description, I just copy my outline in there and then I update it from there to make it more robust and build it out. So I'm just going to copy my old outline, paste it in here, and I'm going to go ahead and clean that up a little bit. Alright, so I've cleaned up my description a little bit here. We've got our title and our thumbnail. If you have any playlists, which if you're just starting out you won't have that yet, but if you are wanting to create playlists, you can use this drop down here. You can always create a new one, or you can check off any playlists that already exist on your channel to add your video to. So I've added that in there, and you'll have this audience section. Make sure if your video is targeted at kids, you do need to mark that on here. Mine is not, and I don't have any age restrictions. You can absolutely do some research to continue to look into how to optimize your videos more and do some keyword searches. There's different sites out there like vidIQ and TubeBuddy. I'll put my TubeBuddy link in the description of this video that you're watching now so that you can go and get a free account. They do have, an upgraded program as well, but you can get a free account that will give you suggestions on keywords to use in your videos so that you rank higher and get more views. So for today, I'm going to leave it at that. So we have our title that we've put in. We've actually uploaded the video. We've added our description, added our thumbnail. We even got a little bonus tip about how to add it to playlists. And we talked about our audience a little bit. You can see on the bottom that it does say it's finished processing, but come back tomorrow before you hit that next button. We're going to go over more options and how to tag your videos. So go ahead and tell me in the comments what your first video upload will be and if you used any keywords. Then come back tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. Central Time to learn how to optimize tags and tag your YouTube videos. I'll see you then.